gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Hi, welcome to the Fuentes Family channel. My name is Lorie, and in today's video, guys, we will be doing another street interview. We will be interviewing Filipino men. We will ask them if they would marry a 70-year-old foreigner to have a better life. So, come on, guys. So, what's your name?
Joey.
Joey. That's a very nice name. Okay, so how old are you, Kuya Joey?
34.
34. Wow, not too old, not too young, just perfect. Okay, so do you have job?
Ini.
Oh wow, you see, so you own this business. That's very beautiful. Guys, whoever is from Tigaon, please visit Kuya Joey's store. They are selling stuff like these. Well, Kuya, what do you call this? Like,
Motorized.
yeah, puterized. No, what do you call like this stuff? Like
Pasalubong.
souvenir. Yeah. Like for example, if you're okay.
Cut
Okay
mo
lang
na
po.
lang.
Oo.
Sige na, be. Aday pa mapigyan. Sige, continuous.
Okay. Okay. Di mo matig of tracks?
Cut mo na.
Nag-ano siya, nag-go pa. Okay. So, kaya here's the question. Would you marry a 70-year-old foreigner to have a better life? Yes or no?
Depende.
Depend. Why?
Kasi kung 70 years old yung foreigner na wala naman kumbaga maapektuhan o maapakan ng bakit hindi? Eh kung love mo naman siya, pares naman kayo nagkakan, bakit hindi?
Oh, so it depends, right? So, the first thing
Ano pa yan? Kasano? Wala. 1.5. Sige.
So he got so many customers here. So what he said that if the 70-year-old foreigner is like single, like you won't have someone that is, he's available or she's available whatsoever. Why not, right?
Yeah.
And if it's all about love, then go for it. If he loves the person, then go for it.
Any
Right?
gender, basta walang naapektuhan ng ibang tao.
Yes, any gender, right? Okay, is it nice to ask like, oh, like you're gay, right?
Na,
No, you're not. You're straight.
no,
No, you're not. Bisex. Oh, I have a brother. He's bisex as well. Bisexual. Yeah. Kuya, what's your name, Kuya?
Michael,
Michael. So, Kuya Michael, how old are you, Kuya?
40,
40. Okay. And what's your job, Kuya?
mechanic sa
Mechanic.
motor.
So, this is their shop, guys. Look at that. It's very nice. So, Kuya Michael, here's the question. Would you marry a 70-year-old foreigner to have a better life?
Yes, kasi di ba sa Pilipinas masakit ang pagbuhay para maka-ahon-ahon lamang sa hirap tiyaga na kitan dawa gurangan maagaw mo okay na.
Oh no. Okay. So what Kuya Michael said was the life here in the Philippines is very poor. So he's going to do everything to have a better life. Even if that means he needs to marry a 70-year-old foreigner, he will. Right, Kuya?
Okay, yes.
Okay, so Kuya Michael, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Kuya, what's your name?
Mark Kevin.
Mark Kevin. Okay, Kuya. So are you single, Kuya?
Yes,
Wow. How old are you?
24.
24. Okay. So, Kuya, here's the question. Would you marry a 70-year-old foreigner for a better life?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Because if in
It's okay. Even Taglish, it's fine.
uh, um, if uh, they can help in that way, ma'am. So I think it's okay to marry a old foreigner,
Old
woman, old foreigner woman, and I think uh, it's okay because uh, we all want to have a matured relationship, and of course old woman can understand us because they matured.
They're mature.
Yes.
Oh. So, what's really the reason why you're going to marry an older foreigner like 70-year-old? Because of her money, or because you just wanted to have a serious relationship, a matured relationship?
Matured relationship, ma'am. Because money is temporary happiness po.
Happiness
So
is it lasts
yes
forever.
po. So the love is forever, ma'am. So if we still together, so love is more than money.
Oh, wow, that's a very beautiful answer. Thank you, Kuya. Sir, what's your name po?
Joselito ID.
Joselito. Nice to meet you po, Kuya Joselito. Kuya, how old are you, Kuya?
40.
40. So, what do you have job, Kuya?
Yes.
What's your job?
Ito.
Uh, you own this?
Hindi.
No.
Ano lang. Manage lang.
Manager. Okay. So, Kuya, here's my question. Would you marry a 70-year-old foreigner to have a better life?
Yes, of course.
Why?
Tagalogin mo na nga.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's fine, Kuya. It's
Dugo,
fine.
dugo ilong ko dyan.
It's fine, Kuya.
Siyempre, kung hirap ka talaga sa buhay, bakit hindi? Di ba?
Oh, so Kuya said, if you are really like poor in life, so why not?
Di ba? Kung magkakaroon ka naman ng magandang buhay. Di ba?
So
Ganun
if you,
lang naman.
yeah, so if you have chance to have a better life, why not? That's what Kuya Joselito said. So Kuya, what's your name?
Ryan,
Ryan. Okay, nice to meet you, Kuya. Kuya, how old are you?
26.
26. And what's your job?
My job is a digital marketer.
Digital marketer. Okay. So Kuya, here's the question. Would you marry a 70-year-old foreigner to have a better life?
No,
No. Why?
because I prefer my ages, my co-ages, like a range between 25 to 30 because a 70 a 70-year-old woman can't give me a son or a daughter.
Oh,
Thank
a
you.
child. Okay. So, Kuya prefers someone that could have, babies, right? Child. Okay. So, thank you so much, Kuya.